Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Teacher English Speaking Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Lucy.
Hello, Lucy. Hello, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with you today.
Hi, Tom. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. Actually, I had a nice, short chat with my neighbor in the elevator this morning, someone I don't usually talk to. It felt really good.
I'm doing great, too. Thanks. That's so nice you did that. I know that can feel a little scary sometimes, just starting a conversation with someone new.
It is scary. I used to be very shy. I'd just stand in the corner and hope no one would talk to me because I didn't know what to say.
Oh, I think so many of our listeners feel that exact same way. You want to speak, but you feel nervous or shy, and you just don't have the confidence.
Exactly. And that is the perfect topic for today. So, everyone, today we are going to learn how to talk to anyone with confidence.
Yes, it's such an important skill. We're not going to teach difficult grammar. We are going to share simple, easy phrases and practical tips to help you feel less shy and more confident when you speak English.
Sounds great. And if you're ready to feel more confident, show us some love by hitting that like button.
And please subscribe so you never miss a lesson. And share this with your friends. Thank you all so much.
Okay, Lucy, let's do this. How do we find this confidence? Where do we begin?
Okay, Tom. Let's talk about this big, scary feeling. Confidence. When we learn a new language, we often feel shy or afraid.
Exactly. My heart beats fast, my mind goes blank. I'm so worried about making a mistake. I think my grammar is bad. My pronunciation is terrible. They will laugh at me.
Oh, Tom, everyone feels that way. It's completely normal. So, the very first tip isn't about grammar. It's about your mindset. Tip number 1. The goal is connection, not perfection.
Connection, not perfection? What do you mean?
When you talk to someone in English, your goal is not to sound like a perfect robot. Your goal is to connect with another person, to share an idea, to be friendly.
So, it's okay if I make a mistake.
Yes, it is 100% okay. Native speakers make mistakes too. When you talk to someone, they are not listening with a red pen to check your grammar. They are just listening to you.
That makes me feel a little better.
Remember, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So first, be kind to yourself. It's okay to be imperfect.
Okay, be kind to myself. Connection, not perfection. I like that. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2. Prepare a 10-second introduction.
An introduction? Like, my name is Tom.
Exactly. Just like we learned in our Introduce Yourself episode. When you feel nervous, the first sentence is the hardest. If your mind goes blank, you panic.
Yes, total panic.
So, have a simple introduction ready, always. Just 2 or 3 sentences. You can practice it at home until it feels easy. For example, "Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a student, and I'm learning English."
Okay. Hi, I'm Tom. I'm from Canada. I like playing soccer.
Perfect. It's simple, it's clear, it's friendly. Now, if you are in a situation and you feel nervous, you don't have to think. You just press play. You say your practiced introduction.
That's a great idea. Having the first sentence ready makes starting feel less scary.
It's your safety sentence. Okay, tip number 3 is maybe the easiest and most powerful tip.
What is it?
A smile.
A smile? That's not an English phrase.
It's more important than an English phrase. A smile is the universal word for "I am friendly." When you smile, 2 things happen. First, you feel more relaxed. It's a signal to your own brain that things are okay.
That's true. It's hard to feel panicked when you're smiling.
Second, you make the other person feel comfortable. You look open and kind. They will be much more patient and friendly in return. If you look scared or angry, they might feel uncomfortable.
So even if I'm nervous inside, I should try to smile on the outside.
Yes! Take a deep breath, smile, and then say your safety introduction. It's a powerful combination.
Okay, smile. I can do that. What's next? Tip number 4?
Tip number 4. Start with small talk.
Small talk. Like we learned in our Easy Conversations episode. Talking about unimportant things?
Exactly. Don't try to start a big, deep conversation about politics or the meaning of life. That's too much pressure. Start with simple, safe topics.
Like the weather?
The weather is the #1 safe topic. Beautiful day, isn't it? Or, it's so cold today. It's easy and everyone has an opinion on it.
What about the shared situation?
Perfect. You are both in the same place. Talk about that. If you are waiting for a bus, you can say, "The bus is slow today, isn't it?"
If we are at a cafe, I can say, this coffee smells delicious.
Yes. Or, "Wow, it's very busy in here." These are low-pressure topics. They are easy to answer, and they break the silence, which is the hardest part.
So, the secret is, don't try to be too interesting. Just be simple and safe.
You got it. Okay, so you've smiled, you've said hello, you've made a comment about the weather. Now what? How do you keep the conversation going? This is tip number 5.
Yes, this is the part I worry about.
Tip number 5. Be a good listener.
Wait, to be a good talker, I have to be a good listener?
This is the biggest secret to confidence, Tom. You don't have to do all the work. People love to talk about themselves. Your job is to let them.
So, how do I do that?
When the other person talks, don't just think about your next sentence. Listen to what they say. Listen for 1 or 2 simple key words.
Key words? Like what?
I say, "Yes, it's a lovely day. I'm going to the park after this." What's the key word?
Park.
Yes. Now your next question is easy. You just ask about the park. This is tip number 6. Ask simple follow-up questions.
Okay, so you say park. I can ask, oh, which park are you going to?
Perfect. Or, "Oh, do you go to the park often?" Or, "Is the park nice?"
Ah, I don't have to invent a new topic. I just use the word they gave me.
Let's try again. We are talking about the weekend. I say, "My weekend was pretty quiet. I just watched a movie." What's the key word?
Movie.
So you ask,
Oh, what movie did you watch? Or was it a good movie?
exactly. See? The conversation is easy now. You just listen, find the key word, movie, park, family, job, hobby, and ask a simple who, what, where, when, or why question about it. What kind of? Where is? When did you?
The pressure is off me. I just need to be a good detective and listen for clues.
You are a conversation detective. I love that.
Okay, this is great. I can start the conversation, I can listen, I can ask follow-up questions. But, Lucy, what if I get stuck? Or what if I need to leave? I panic about ending the conversation too.
That's a very real fear. Getting stuck in a conversation you don't know how to end. So, our final tip, tip number 7. Have your escape phrase ready.
An escape phrase, like a magic word?
Almost. It's a simple, polite sentence that signals the conversation is finished. Just like having your introduction ready. Having your exit ready makes you feel more confident.
Okay, what are some good, simple escape phrases?
The most common one is, "Well, it was nice talking to you."
Well, it was nice talking to you. That's very clear.
Yes, the "well" at the beginning signals a change. Then you can add why you have to go. "Well, it was nice talking to you, but I have to go now."
What about it was great to meet you?
Perfect. "It was great to meet you. I'll see you around. Bye."
Or just, anyway, I should get going.
Very natural. "Anyway" is another signal word. "Anyway, I should get going. Have a great day."
Wow. So I just need to remember one introduction phrase and one escape phrase.
Exactly. And in the middle, you just smile. Use small talk and listen for key words. That's the whole formula for a confident conversation.
I think I'm ready to try. Can we do a role play?
I was hoping you would ask. Let's do it.
Okay, let's pretend we are at a simple community event, maybe a neighborhood party. We are both standing near the food table and we don't know each other. I am going to try to be confident.
Okay, I'm here, just looking at the cookies.
Hi there.
Oh, hi.
Wow, these cookies look amazing, don't they?
I know. I'm trying to decide which one to get.
I'm Tom, by the way. I just moved into the building down the street.
Oh, welcome to the neighborhood. I'm Lucy. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So, how do you like the neighborhood so far?
It's really nice. It's very quiet. I like it a lot.
That's great. It's a lovely day for a party, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The weather is perfect.
I'm planning to go to the park later to enjoy the sun.
Oh, the park. Which park do you usually go to?
The one on Main Street with the big fountain. It's really beautiful.
Oh, I don't know that one. I'll have to check it out.
You should.
Well, it was really nice meeting you, Lucy. I think I'm going to go say hi to my neighbor.
You too, Tom. Welcome again, and I'll see you around.
Thanks. See you.
Tom, that was perfect. You were so confident.
Thank you. It felt much easier. I just followed the steps. I smiled. I used the shared situation, the cookies. I had my introduction ready, and I listened for your keyword, park.
And you ended it perfectly, too. It was a short, simple, successful conversation. That's all it takes.
I feel so much better. The fear is still there, but now I have a plan.
And that's what confidence is. It's not about not feeling fear. It's about having a plan and doing it anyway.
This is going to help so many people. Wow, Lucy, that role play made it feel so simple. I really felt the confidence just by having a plan.
Exactly. That's the whole secret. Confidence isn't magic. It's just having a plan and practicing it.
I feel like I can really do this. Let's do a quick review of the most important tips for our listeners. There were 7, but what are the top 3 essentials?
Great idea. Let's pick the 3 most important ones. For me, tip number 1 is the mindset. The goal is connection, not perfection. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. You are just trying to be friendly.
Connection, not perfection. I love that. Okay, what's the second key takeaway?
The second one is tip number 2 and 7 combined. Have your safety sentences ready. This means practicing your simple 10-second introduction. Hi, I'm Lucy. I'm a student. And practicing one polite escape phrase. Well, it was nice talking to you.
So, you have a safe way to start and a safe way to end.
That takes away so much of the fear.
It does. And the third most important tip is tip number 5 and 6. Be a good listener and ask follow-up questions.
Right. Don't try to do all the talking. Just listen for a keyword, like park or movie, and ask a simple what, where, or when question. Let the other person talk.
That's it. If you just remember those 3 things, don't worry about mistakes, have your start/end phrases ready, and listen for key words, you will feel so much more confident.
That is a fantastic summary. So, Lucy, what is our golden tip for today? What's the one big mindset idea we need?
Our golden tip is the one we mentioned, but it's worth saying again. Just smile. A smile is your best introduction.
Why is that so important, more than the words?
Because before you say a single word, your smile tells the other person, I am friendly. It's a universal language. It makes them feel relaxed. And it makes you feel more relaxed too.
So even if I'm feeling nervous, my smile can hide it?
It does more than hide it. It can actually change the feeling. When you feel nervous, take a deep breath. Put a small smile on your face, and then say your first simple sentence. It changes everything.
That's wonderful advice. Your first step to confidence is just a simple, warm smile. That really is perfect advice, Lucy. Just smile. It's simple, and everyone can do it. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for these amazing confidence tips.
And thank you, Tom, for the great role play. And a big thank you to all of our listeners for joining us. We hope this helps you feel a little less nervous and a lot more confident.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Remember, the goal is connection, not perfection. You can do this.
And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next lesson. And please share this episode with any friends who also feel a little shy speaking English.
And for today's practice question, we want you to practice your safety sentence. What is your simple 10-second introduction?
Ooh, yes! Just write your simple introduction in the comments. Hi, I'm Name. I'm from country. Or I'm Name. I'm a job/student.
We would love to meet you in the comments. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and have a great day. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.